All right, here we go. I gotta go crawl in this hole and splice this water line together. But just so you know what I go through on a daily basis. Look at that, going underneath the road. Yippee, yippee-ki-yay. That's what I gotta venture into right there. Pretty nasty, ain't it? Full of spiders. Just absolutely full of spiders in there, but I'm not too concerned about the spiders. Snakes, on the other hand, I got an issue with. Me and snakes don't get along too well. But, oh, let's get down in here. Okay, there's the line. There's the line. Underneath the roots. Man, I'm glad I lost a lot of weight. Oh. So I had a kink in this thing. And had to run town and go get an inline. But when I got back here, I cut this bad boy open. And I could have swore the water was still on. But that 1.25 inch line, it sure did. It sure did. Oh, sorry about that. All right, let me get situated. Get that thrown on there. Get that thrown on there. Get that next in. Oh, baby. Right here in a puddle of water. Couldn't be better. Alright. It's not working for me here. Oh, boy, this is tight. Say, boy, it's tight. Alright, I gotta be able to push these on. Oh. Mercy, that was tight. All right. Find my little tool. It was over there. It is. Go ahead and tighten these bad boys down. All right. Come on, baby. Pretty tight. Pretty tight. All right. So that right there is what we got accomplished right there. Got that secured up. Oh, now I need to turn my fat ass around and go the other direction. How do you do that? Oh, you just got to break your leg off. Bend it back behind you. And then turn around. Okay. Oh, mercy. Now I just got to come out through the spider heaven here. All right, just like that. Wasn't hard at all. You know what I mean? You know what they say, if it was easy, women and children would do it. All right, folks, y'all have a good day.